Hello sparkly people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentinaa, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and we're back. Vlogmas day 4. So on today's vlog, I have quite a bit to get finished. I want to finish the decorations for my living room. I also want to do something super fun at the very end of this vlog. Well, not at the very end, but after I do my decorations and I take some pictures. I want to do a little mukbang chit chat about my fan page, but with a delicacy that we only get once a year. And I'm really excited about said delicacy, and you guys will find out about it later on in the vlog. Cannot wait for this food. So what exactly do we have to get done? I want to finish the topper for my Christmas tree. I need something to go underneath my tree here because the tree skirt that I wanted is sold out. So most likely I'm gonna have to buy like some kind of snow blanket or something like that. Over there, finish that. Over here, finish this. I also need to do something with my bar cart, and I have an idea for that too, which we will discuss shortly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my mantle decorations. First, I have some things that I wanna add over here, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing.
Got no presents for your tree, or candy for your side. When he starts to boogie, the whole town rocks. Boogie, boogie, Santa Claus. Boogie, boogie, Santa Claus. Boogie, boogie, Santa.
Hold the phone. What? Selena has a series? You know what I'm watching all day today.
Santa, jump, 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 Mr. Santa. Rock, 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 Mr. Santa. Jump, 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 Mr. Santa.
Okay, so like I said earlier, I have an idea of something that I want to do for the bar cart over there. I'm going to get some champagne bottles and I'm going to cover them in glitter and fabulousness and put them over there as, you know, cute little decorative pieces. May drink them eventually, but there it is. And then I also have to pick up the food for my question and answer section of this vlog. It's gonna be like a mukbang. I'm going to eat this delicious, decadent thing and answer your questions about the fan page. So I need champagne, I need glitter, black and gold glitter, because I went through my stash to see what I had, and there is not enough black glitter in here for me to cover an entire bottle, and there's not enough gold glitter in here for me to cover an entire bottle, but I do have enough Mod Podge, extra gold paint, and glue, and E6000 and hot glue if I need it. But yeah. First stop is Michael's. It's super gross outside and it's super packed out here. Yo, somebody was like coughing and hacking inside Michael's. That was absolutely disgusting. And the black woman in front of me turned and looked at me, and I looked at her, and it was a lot. That was gross. Now we're going to buy cheap champagne from the grocery store. Might not get cheap champagne, might get good champagne. I don't know. As long as the bottle's cute, we'll see. This is my favorite grocery store for obvious reasons. Oh, come on, black and gold. You like that? Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. We acquired the liquor. Everything's good. Now we just need to get the food and head home. Thank you. Could I see some ranch from you, please? Thank you so much. You too. All right, so we made it home with the stuff. The food is in the kitchen. I'm gonna change my clothes really quick, grab a drink, grab a glass, and then come sit down and we're gonna answer these questions. Time kind of ran away from me today, so I'm probably not gonna get into the glitter champagne bottles today. I'll probably do this tomorrow. But we're gonna talk about the fan page. All right, we're back, and this is it. The moment that you've all been waiting for, the Q&A about the fan page, about OnlyFans, and also the mukbang. Is it mukbang or mukbang? I don't know. So, in true holiday season, I went to McDonald's because McRib is back. McRib is back. And your girl got a McRib combo. I got some cheeseburgers and I got an apple pie. I don't know if I'm gonna get through all of it, but I'm gonna snack and I'm gonna answer the questions that you guys asked about OnlyFans. I'm hungry. I have not eaten all day for this specific reason. I was saving my calories for this. Is it real food? We'll never know, but it's delicious. All right, so let me pull out these questions that we have. And fries. So the first question that we have is, what exactly is OnlyFans? And you guys know what OnlyFans is. It's like Instagram, but instead of it being free, you have to pay to subscribe to somebody's page. A lot of people think that it's all about nudes and porn, and it's not. You can offer skills and services on OnlyFans. You don't have to take naked pictures if you don't want to. So the question that I got asked the most often here is, how much have I made on OnlyFans so far? And I'm not gonna answer that right now, but I will. So good. It's been so long since I've had McDonald's. It's been like a year. All right, so the next question that we have is, can you make money doing OnlyFans without people knowing that it's you? And that's a trick question, because yes, you can. You definitely can, but it's really hard because OnlyFans is a much more personal platform, because people want to connect with you specifically. Like, it's not like going to a free porn site. It's making a personal relationship. So if they don't know that it's you, what are they paying? Why are they paying for it? I mean, you can do it. I know people who do it. You just need to be able to promote. If you're starting from no fan base, it's harder to make lots and lots of money because people don't know who you are and what you're offering. So if you're gonna do that and you don't have a fan base and you want to try OnlyFans, you're gonna have to do a lot of promotion, probably through Twitter, Reddit, all those little like underground channels and things. And then maybe make another Instagram page and promote yourself that way with like headless photos. Where there's a will, there's a way. I got ranch. Classy showgirls use ranch. So the next question is, did you find it difficult to tell people about your OnlyFans? And no, I actually did not find, me personally, I did not find it difficult to tell people about my OnlyFans, or at least tell my fans about my OnlyFans, because I'm a burlesque dancer. I do take my clothes off for a living. Of course, it's only down to pasties and a G-string, and OnlyFans implies a little bit more usually. It just seemed like an easy transition for me. A lot of burlesque dancers were doing it, and it seemed like they were really successful in doing it because it's roundabout on the same spectrum, or in the same spectrum of like offering a little bit of fantasy, except instead of offering it in person, you're offering it online. So it was pretty easy for me to tell people, which brings us to the next question: does your family know? And yes, my family does know. My mom knows. I told her about it, and she just asked me if I was sticking anything in my butt on camera, and I said no, I'm not doing that. And she said, okay, that's all I need to know. I'm more of like a Playboy style, no full frontal nudes. I don't show all that. It's very tasteful and very classic, a la burlesque. And she was like, oh, that's cute, that's nice. So yeah, my family knows about it. Little appetizer situation. Let's go ahead, get this beautiful footage here. I thought this would be like the funniest juxtaposition. It's like the sexiest thing in the world for some people is OnlyFans, or the idea of being on OnlyFans, and then I'm sitting here talking about OnlyFans in a robe on the floor in my living room eating McDonald's. Yes. The next question that people had was some advice for people who are just starting out on Instagram, who are just starting out on OnlyFans. And the number one thing that I would say is promote, because people won't know that you have an OnlyFans unless you tell them. People won't subscribe and go look at your stuff unless you give them an idea of what they're gonna see. So promote. Be creative, because there's an audience for everyone and pretty much everything. So whatever you can think of that you wanna do, somebody will buy it from you. I am telling you right now, somebody will buy it from you. And the last thing is be consistent. And like, this is something that I need to take into account a lot more, because the more consistent you are, the bigger your fan base becomes, because they're used to seeing your stuff on a regular basis. You get to know people, you talk, you exchange words, and your fan base grows because people start to talk about you because like you're cool AF on the platform and you send out bomb pictures regularly. I mean, who doesn't want more bang for their buck? The more stuff that you push out, the more that people have to buy. And the more that people have to buy, the more money that you earn. So yeah, promote, be creative, and be consistent. This really is entirely too much bread. It's like a half sandwich now. Next question. Have I gotten any hate? Surprisingly, no. I have not gotten any hate about being on OnlyFans, at least not to my face. There's always the possibility that people are talking about me behind my back. I don't know, to be honest. I don't care, because those people who are talking about me are not paying my bills. There's that. The next question that I got is, what's the most common misconception about OnlyFans? I think this person was asking, this question for a reason, because OnlyFans is stigmatized, specifically because everybody thinks it's just porn, and that's not necessarily true. That's what it is. But there's a lot of opportunities and a lot of different things that you can purchase on OnlyFans. I would say at this point in what's going on in the country right now, there are a lot of artists on OnlyFans who are selling their wares and are selling their services or selling classes and things like that on there. So I would challenge you to go take a look at it and just see what it's all about before you pass any judgment, even though this is a judgment-free zone, or at least this world should be a judgment-free zone, and we should be able to just live our lives and love each other and move forward. But whatever. Who am I? This question is actually a fun one. I don't know. What's the wildest thing, or what are some of the wildest things that people have asked for on OnlyFans? I sell sets, and I also accept custom requests. So I get a lot of different things that people want. Custom videos, or they want custom photos, things like that, and they pay extra for that. So I get, like the normal stuff. I want you to twerk. That's a thing, because booties are in right now. I think the wildest thing that somebody has asked about is the girlfriend experience. I found that very interesting, because I didn't know what the girlfriend experience was. And the way that they asked it was, do you do GFE? And I didn't know what GFE was. I was thinking like some kind of like lighting technique or something like that. It stands for the girlfriend experience, and it's basically offering the girlfriend experience. Like, you go out, you talk regularly, and then eventually it leads to like an actual relationship. I don't offer that. Not judging anybody who does offer that, because that's awesome, that's great, it's a fabulous way to make money. However, that's not my lane. I was just surprised. I was taken aback. I wasn't taken aback. I was caught off guard by the question. They asked it very politely, and I responded politely, or at least I hope I responded politely, by saying, no, that's not my lane, that's not something that I do. And we moved on. So gotten requests for undergarments of mine, worn undergarments. I think that's funny. Worn undergarments. I don't think it's funny. I'm not judging. It's just interesting. It's just so interesting. But at the same time, stuff like this, Dita Von Teese has been selling her used undergarments, used show stockings and underoos and bras and gloves and things like that for years. And I'm sure that she charges way more than what people are charging and what I charge on OnlyFans. On top of the fact that she's wearing designer pieces that she's selling she's also Dita Von Teese. She can command $200-300 for a pair of worn sweaty stockings that she wore on stage. I can't wait until I can do that. That's crazy, and I'm all about it. Monetization of whatever you can. You're a brand, you're a product, make it work. Ooh, and now we've got the pièce de résistance. This is a McRib unboxing for you guys. It is upside down in the box. That's perfect. All right, here we go. That's a McRib. Yeah. Let's go back to the first question, and it's probably the most asked question that I got. How much have you made on OnlyFans since you started? And I will tell you. Nobody else is gonna tell you exactly how much they made on OnlyFans, but I'm going to tell you right here on my channel exactly how much I've made. Right here, right now, I am going to tell you how much I have made on OnlyFans since I have started. Hold on. All right, so the reveal. Hopefully this will help some of you. I think that the amount that I've made in my time on OnlyFans is relative to the content that I'm offering, the size of my audience, so how many followers I have on like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of that, even though I've done most of my promotion on Instagram, so we'll just say Instagram. It makes sense, the proportion of my audience versus how long I've been on there and what I'm offering. Yeah. Also not the most well-known burlesque dancer in the world. Why am I still holding this napkin? I started on OnlyFans at the end of July. I started on July 21st, so I did not do the full month of July, but since then, in total, I have made around $8,000. Again, I think that how much I've made is relative to the size of my audience, how much I promote, and the content that I offer. If you offer more than I do, you will probably make more. If you offer less than I do, you will probably make less, if that makes sense. Like I said, I offer burlesque style lingerie model fantasy. I don't stick things in my butt. I don't show things. I don't do full nudity. But I do enough that I made roughly about $2,000 a month. It's been a nice little bump in the monthly salary. It's been nice, and I like it, and it's fun making content. It's fun because I can not only use it on my Instagram, I use it on my OnlyFans. People are enjoying it. I'm creating a larger audience. I'm building a larger brand. So I like being on OnlyFans. If it continues to go the way it's going, I'll keep going. It's good. It's not my main source of income. It does its job. It definitely does its job. So yeah, that is all the questions I had about OnlyFans. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys. This has been Vlogmas Day 4. We did some Christmas decorations. We went out into the world for a hot second. We came back, we ate garbage food together. We talked about the fan page. I think this was a productive day overall. So, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new Vlogmas video, because I don't know when I'll be uploading every night. It all depends on when I finish. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next vlog, which will be tomorrow. All right, good night.